Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to upgrade old Samsung Smart TV. For this, go to settings, tap on all settings, then select support, select software update, tap on update now. If you select the option update now, it will update the software by downloading updates, and you can see the current version and the new version of the software. You can see on the right side. Now tap on the option update now. Now they are checking for the updates. If there is any updates are available, then we can easily upgrade our TV. You can see the upgrades are available. We can easily upgrade using tap on the option upgrade now or upgrade while off. So you can see the upgrade will take over 10 minutes. Your product will turn off and on automatically. So simply in this way we can upgrade all the Samsung Smart TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.